a ryobi PLT 2543C, 25cc. It'll help to switch it on. Kawasaki BK35 TJ35 engine, Mansfield shaft. Stihl FS61. This is a 25cc curved shaft, runs 1.6mm line. So it's a 35cc Kawasaki with a mount filled shaft. I'm running 3.3mm line. Stihl FS61 is a 20cc and I'm running 2.4. Done. This is my Briggs & Stratton 3.5 horsepower Sprint 22-inch champion push mower with self-drive, variable engine speed. I'll start this one first. It's a bit temperamental, it's getting old, it's 14 years old. This is my Suffolk Colt 75cc, 4-stroke. Those are the two for the 4 strokes, and that's it, done. One warm start the Stihl FS61, a cold start of the SH86, and the cold start the MS170.